me donne de la joie au cœur.
And it shows how important it is for us to work together.
Et ça montre combien il est important pour nous de travailler ensemble.
It's only by working together that we can defeat these enemies of peace.
C'est seulement en travaillant ensemble que nous pouvons créer la paix.
These are individuals that have no respect for life.
Ce sont des individus qui ne respectent pas la vie,
Do not respect borders.
ne respectent pas les frontières
Don't have anything to do with the human rights of individuals.
et ne se soucient pas des droits humains des individus.
All they have in their hearts is to destroy.
Ce qu'ils ont, c'est la destruction.
And if you see that the way they operate is that they don't mean us well.
Et leur façon d'opérer est vraiment inquiétante,
Especially within the Sahel region.
surtout dans la région du Sahel.
And if you look at it, that we all live and work alike.
Nous faisons la même chose, nous travaillons, nous faisons les mêmes choses ensemble.
Whether it is Nigeria, whether it is Ghana, or
soit
whether Mali, or
Mali,
Burkina Faso, all
Niger, le Burkina Faso, c'est la
they're
même
one
chose.
and the same.
Ce sont les mêmes.
It is only during the division of the countries that boundaries were set. But if you look at our attitude, our culture, our behavior is all the same.
C'est seulement les frontières qui nous séparent, sinon nous sommes le même peuple.
So I'm happy you are able to come here today.
Je suis très ravi de votre visite.
And I can assure you that the armed forces of Nigeria, and Nigeria in particular, is happy to have you here with us.
Et je suis ravi de vous dire que les forces armées du Nigeria et le Nigeria en tant que pays est ravi de vous recevoir.
And Nigeria, as we all know, over the time, Nigeria is one very peaceful country that means well to our neighbors.
C'est un pays épris de paix.
Even when attempts are made to make it look as if we are enemies, we are not enemies at all.
Même parfois il semble avoir des différends entre nous, nous ne sommes pas des ennemis.
And we will never be enemies.
Et nous ne serons jamais des ennemis.
And this is a clear example to show people that whether people think that we're going to fight each other and all, that for us to sit down here and talk and have you here with us shows that we are brothers and sisters and we're united.
Le fait que nous sommes ici en train de discuter entre frères montre que nous allons toujours vivre en paix.
I had the privilege of being the theater commander Operation Hadinkai in the past.
J'ai été le commandant du théâtre par le
And
passé.
when the surrendering exercise started, we started it in July 2020.
On a commencé en juillet 2022. 2021.
And so, for mine to just give an overview of how it all started and how we
Pour
got to
vous
where we
donner
are.
un aperçu de comment ça s'est passé.
In the past, even before the surrendering exercise started, there has been Operation Sulhu, where meetings have been made reaching across each other.
Par le passé, les réunions que nous avons eues ensemble,
Because the people those terrorists, those bandits, those insurgents are people that are well known to each other.
ces terroristes, donc, ils collaborent.
Even right from the beginning, the traditional rulers, the religious leaders, cultural leaders had a goal because they were part of the people that were used to reach out to those ones.
Tous les leaders traditionnels et coutumiers ont toujours été une plateforme.
It was there gradually that the Operation Safe Corridor started.
Lorsque l'opération Safe Corridor a commencé,
Now, when I went as a theater commander, we saw that we need everybody to be on board for us to have peace.
on avait besoin donc d'impliquer tout le monde pour avoir la paix.
What we realized that the kinetic and the non-kinetic must go hand in hand.
Donc on a constaté que les moyens cinétiques et non cinétiques doivent aller ensemble.
The kinetic being the use of force,
Le moyen kinétique, c'est l'usage de la force.
the non-kinetic means the using other aspects of getting across to them to have
Non
understanding.
kinétique, c'est d'autres moyens de faire la paix.
So contacts were made with them across the line,
Donc il y a eu des contacts avec eux.
and they were given the understanding that if they surrender and come out, they will be treated fairly.
Et on leur a dit que s'ils déposent les armes,
So
on va
one
les
important
recueillir sans
aspect is
problème.
building confidence across the line.
Mais aussi il faut renforcer la confiance.
Even though they have committed a lot of atrocities,
Bien qu'ils aient commis trop d'atrocités,
and what we realize is that not all of them were part of it.
et que beaucoup d'entre eux n'ont pas été des auteurs de
Some
cette
of them were
atrocité.
conscripted, some of them were slaved or enslaved, some of them were forced into it.
Certains ont été pris de force pour être des combattants.
So it's very important right from beginning to know that all of them are not in the same boat.
Donc ça veut dire qu'il est très important de connaître dès le départ qu'ils ne sont pas dans le même panier.
And proper planning ahead of their arrival was very critical.
Donc une planification est très importante avant que ces gens ne soient reçus.
So what the military did was that we provided the conducive atmosphere for them to come out.
On a créé les conditions paisibles pour qu'ils puissent sortir.
While the state government were the ones that provided the management and the administration of those that came out.
Et les gouvernements des États sont ceux qui ont pris en charge les questions administratives.
Now, before then, again, it was important for the safe corridor also to be fully established.
Il faut que l'opération soit pleinement installée.
So we had our local and international partners working together for the planning ahead.
Nous avons donc les acteurs locaux et internationaux qui travaillent d'avance.
And getting a safe haven where you have a camp where nobody will interfere with what's going on.
Et avoir un camp où personne ne va s'interférer aux activités qui se passeront.
The camp's infrastructure was set up, the camp administration was set up, the legal systems were all set up by the local and international organizations.
Tout ce qui est requis en matière de logistique et de juridique et administratif a été mis en place dans les différents camps.
So we had all organizations, the UN was part of it, the IOM. So when we had the setup in Maiduguri,
on a établi le cadre à Maiduguri.
We had holding areas within Maiduguri, around Goza and Bama.
Il y a aussi donc des zones qu'on a sélectionnées à Maiduguri et à Goza.
When discussions were made and they agreed, the first, I think 9, 10, 11 that agreed to surrender.
Je crois qu'une dizaine.
They were very scared, they were not sure.
De préposer les armes, ils avaient peur.
Because you have to understand that the leadership of those terrorist groups had brainwashed them into believing that anytime they come out, they will be killed.
Ils sont parce qu'ils savent que dès qu'ils sortent, les leaders de ces groupes peuvent les tuer.
Because of the atrocities they've committed.
À cause des atrocités qu'ils ont commises.
So even when we told them that nothing was going to happen to them, they were very skeptical.
Bien qu'on les a rassurés que rien ne va se passer, ils étaient encore sceptiques.
So the agreement was for them to come out to the closest military location to their area.
Donc ils sont sortis pour se rapprocher du camp militaire qui était le plus à côté.
So and when they came out, what we did was that when they came out, the commanders were there to hold them together with the civilian authority members that were there.
Donc, le commandant était là avec des civils pour les accueillir.
They dropped their arms.
Ils ont déposé leurs armes.
They were catered for properly.
Et on a pris soin d'eux.
They were provided a holding area.
Il y a une zone qui a été dédiée pour.
The profiling has to do with taking their biometrics, asking them questions, their names and where they're coming from, just to build that database.
On a pris leurs détails biométriques et on les a posé des questions de leur provenance.
They were given food because some of them were really malnourished.
On leur a donné à manger parce que certains d'entre eux étaient mal nourris.
And they were given some first aid at the onset.
Et ils ont eu donc de l'aide.
The state government provided transportation that was able to move them from there into Maiduguri where they have the camp.
Donc le gouvernement a mis en place la logistique pour les transporter à Maiduguri où il y a le camp.
So feeding and arrangement and everything was done to cater for them.
Donc toute la logistique pour leur prise en charge a été mise en place.
And believe me, when they saw how they were received, when they came to the camp, they were given food, they were allowed to take their baths, they were allowed to wear good clothing, they felt differently.
Donc quand ils étaient arrivés, on a pris soin d'eux, ils se sont mis à l'aise.
Because from there, some of them started calling their colleagues and giving them confidence that look, we're here and nothing is and we're free.
Alors ils ont commencé à appeler certains de leurs collègues qu'il n'y a pas à avoir peur.
Now the challenge we had was again convincing the communities to accept them, to agree for them to come out.
Et ils ont convaincu la communauté.
Because a lot of them felt, yes, they've done a lot of killings, why should we forgive them?
Et certains ont pensé qu'ils ont commis trop d'atrocités pour être pardonnés.
But we had to convince them. We went on air, we went on radio, we were everywhere with the media to try and tell why it is important that we take them in since they are surrendering.
Tout le plaidoyer possible pour leur demander donc de se rendre.
And I think when an enemy surrenders, you are bound to take him in.
Donc, quand quelqu'un dépose les armes, donc on doit le recueillir.
And one critical aspect that we did was that we did not forget the communities. The victims were part of the surrendering.
Et on a associé les communautés.
And what we realized is that because the communities were part of it, they were able to understand that not everybody was also part of the criminals.
Et les communautés comprennent également que ce n'est pas tout un chacun de ces combattants.
So we're able to identify those ones that were forced, enslaved or conscripted separately.
On a mis de côté ceux qui ont été forcés et enrôlés de force.
The women and the elderly.
Les femmes, les personnes âgées.
And then those perpetrators, those ones that were the real actors, were kept separately.
Les vrais acteurs du crime.
And so we had programs to start the radicalization immediately because it was important.
On a commencé le programme de déradicalisation sans tant tarder.
But most of them have to do with ideology.
Parce que c'est une question d'idéologie.
Now, within the number that among the 121,000 that we were able to rescue,
120 000 que nous avons pu recevoir,
over 60,000 were children.
60 000 étaient des enfants.
What they were doing before now, they used to when they attack a village, they capture all the male adults and go with them and conscript them.
Quand ils attaquent des villages, ils enlèvent les jeunes gens.
But because of the strategy we adopted in our operations, they couldn't do that anymore.
Mais avec nos stratégies, ils ne pouvaient plus le faire.
So the women they were now impregnating them, making sure that if she gives birth, in the next 4 months after giving birth, she will take in again.
Donc, ils utilisaient les femmes pour produire leur force de travail.
So they were developing another set of fighters from within the families.
Donc, au sein de leur famille, ils développaient donc une autre.
And to us, we felt that they will be more dangerous because if a kid grows in an environment of violence, he believes it is natural.
Et ça devient un problème parce que quand un enfant va dans un environnement violent, il va penser que c'est naturel.
So to us, that was very critical, bringing these children out of that area, so that they don't turn to monsters.
Donc il était très important de faire sortir ces enfants pour qu'ils ne deviennent pas des monstres.
So the state government did a lot, taking care of them, feeding them and providing all those things, while also building their skills.
Le gouvernement des États donc se prenait en charge ces ex-combattants.
Because one important thing again is to find out what led them to acts that they did.
Et il y a aussi la raison de savoir pourquoi ils sont impliqués dans ces atrocités.
And providing a solution that are we addressing those things that push them into those things.
Pour savoir est-ce que nous donnons les solutions à ce problème.
Because we feel it is important, and because this kind of challenge is not one common one to everywhere.
N'est pas commun partout.
I think that's one thing that I want you to understand. That every area has its own peculiarity.
Chaque zone a ses spécificités.
Even in Nigeria here that we're talking, the challenges in the northeast is different from the north central, it's different from northwest.
Les défis sont différents du nord-est au nord-ouest du Nigeria.
But it's not one solution, hook, line, and sinker. You have to be able to flexible understanding the challenges you have on ground.
Il n'y a pas de solution magique. Il faut comprendre les défis sur le terrain.
In the northeast, they are predominantly almost one tribe.
Au nord-est, c'est la même ethnie.
In the north central, is diverse.
Au centre nord-ouest, donc il y a une diversité.
The northwest is also diverse.
Au nord-ouest également, il y a une diversité.
So the solutions you provide becomes on your peculiarity based on your environment.
Donc la solution que vous devez donner dépend de l'environnement dans lequel vous vous trouvez.
So it is very, very critical to always understand and remember that.
Donc, il faut toujours avoir cela à l'esprit.
Now, for the ability for them to develop their skill is very critical.
Il faut une capacité de développer des compétences professionnelles.
Because at the end of it, if they cannot take care of themselves, you still create more problems.
Parce que s'ils ne peuvent pas se prendre en charge, ça va créer encore d'autres problèmes.
So it was important that we have skill acquisition for them that will go to based on what they think they could do.
Des formations professionnelles sur la base de ce qu'ils peuvent faire.
Now it is from here now. Some of them were now taken to the Operation Safe Corridor, where you have a more organized system.
On les a amenés donc au niveau de l'opération corridor.
So because of their number, we put them in batches. So once this batch go and they graduate, the next batch will come, and then there must be monitoring.
Et il doit avoir un suivi pour chaque groupe des ex-combattants.
And in all these stages, make sure that the victims have their own say in what is going on.
Et il faut que les victimes puissent dire leur mot par rapport à la situation.
Because the success of everything is reintegration.
Parce que la réussite de toute chose, c'est la réintégration.
Have they been able to fit back into the system?
Est-ce qu'ils ont pu revenir dans la société à la base?
Now we had some situations where some communities will say, yes, we can take this person, but this person should never come back.
Il y a des situations où les communautés choisissent qui prendre et qui ne pas prendre.
Because of the number of atrocities that the person has committed.
À cause des atrocités commises par cette personne.
So you must be prepared to provide a different solution for that kind of people.
Donc, il faut aussi penser à une situation.
It is important to also consider Truth and Reconciliation Committee.
Il y a aussi un comité vérité et réconciliation.
Where those ones who have committed those offenses should be able to sit down with the victims and talk and bring out things, because that will give you a closure.
Ceux qui ont commis des atrocités doivent parler aux victimes.
These are very, very important aspects that must be followed.
C'est des aspects importants à suivre.
And one other advice I will also give for our country, our friends, is that you must here Initially, the whole challenge was in the northeast.
Ici, le défi, c'était au nord-est.
But when the pressure was so much for them in the northeast,
Mais quand la pression était trop,
some of them found out into the north central and the northwest.
ils ont émigré vers l'ouest.
And then the acts of criminality now spread to those other areas.
Les activités criminelles se sont propagées dans les
So it's
autres.
important when you are doing any operation, please make sure you contain them within the region they are operating. Don't allow it to spread.
Il ne faut pas permettre à ce que la criminalité se propage.
Now, what is causing most of these problems?
Qu'est-ce qui, à la
That's a
base,
question everybody wants to know. From our own experience,
pour notre expérience,
good governance,
la bonne gouvernance,
fairness,
le traitement équitable,
justice,
la justice,
equity. Those four critical areas are
Les
very,
domaines
very
sont
important
très
in
importants.
every community.
pour chaque communauté.
If you have a place where people feel not wanted, feel neglected,
Les
feel
gens
sidelined,
sont mis de côté, négligés,
they will
persécutés,
definitely want to fight back the system.
ils vont se rebeller contre le système.
So as we're addressing this issue, make sure that we're able to provide these basic amenities for the communities to also thrive.
Il faut aussi que les communautés soient mises dans des conditions
Issues
de
of
vie acceptables.
schools,
Les écoles,
removing poverty,
et la lutte contre la
removing
pauvreté,
illiteracy, providing
l'analphabétisme,
good roads, medical center, everything that will make a
centres
human being
médicaux,
feel comfortable as
ce
a
qui
human being in
permet
this community.
aux communautés de vivre en paix.
So political solutions must be provided.
Il va y avoir aussi des solutions politiques.
But if you don't sort these issues, you will keep on running in cycles as long as you don't sort those
Parce
issues.
que si ce n'est pas résolu, on va aller en rond. Ce sera le même problème qui va se répéter.
And your correctional facilities should be such that it is correctional. It's be able to transform them, not to harden them the more.
Les prisons doivent être un centre de récupération des individus.
Most of our correctional facilities are overcrowded.
La plupart des prisons sont surchargées.
So you see, some people will have very minor offenses, will be put together with hardened criminals.
Il y a des gens qui n'ont pas commis de crimes, qui
So you
sont
know it to
avec
become
des
very
criminels.
hardened. So you have more hardened criminals around.
Donc, on peut avoir des criminels.
So it is important, and we cannot do it alone. That's why it's important for us as countries. We must unite. And armed forces to continue to train together.
Pour que nos forces
continue
continuent à
to
s'entraîner
understand each
ensemble,
other.
de se comprendre.
It is this collaboration that will make it easier for us to defeat all this.
Cette collaboration,
Because the ability to move across border is what strengthens them.
parce que leur capacité de circuler au-delà des frontières les renforce.
One of the secrets we use during our own kinetic operation
Pendant nos opérations
is we
kinétiques,
deny them where they will get logistics.
on les empêche la logistique.
So logistics became very difficult. Getting money became
difficile.
difficult. Movement became
Le mouvement
difficult.
également était très difficile.
And then psychologically, what we did again, we had leaflets. We wrote some leaflets. We had religious leaders
On a aussi les leaders religieux qu'on a mis à contribution.
that were able to interpret the Quran
Pour
and other
interpréter
religious
le
things,
Coran.
the truth about them.
La vérité sur
We wrote these leaflets in different languages, in Hausa, in
on a-
Kanuri, in Fulani,
on a
in
traduit ça en
everything.
langue locale.
We use our helicopter, we use our airplanes,
Des
flew over
hélicoptères
their locations
pour,
with pictures
Envoyer ça.
and dropped those leaflets. A
C'est
lot of them that
parfait.
surrendered came with those leaflets saying, look,
Qui
I
ont
saw this,
ici
that
ont
people
vu
came
la
out.
vérité.
So it encouraged them to come out even on their
Elle
own.
les a encouragés à sortir.
In fact, the rate at which they were coming out, their commanders started
Même les
seizing their weapons, not
commandants
allowing them to come
ont
out.
commencé à saisir les armes parce qu'ils savent qu'ils vont partir.
Because they were losing the men on ground.
On utilisait donc ceux qui sont sur
Remember, I
le terrain.
told you that they told them that once they come out, the military will always kill them.
Et on leur a dit que dès qu'ils vont sortir, les
But
militaires
when they
vont les
came out
tuer.
and saw that they were not killed, and those leaflets showed the pictures how their other colleagues that came out are feeling very well, treated well, they started coming out.
Quand ils ont constaté que c'est pas vrai, ils ont commencé à sortir en grand nombre.
And we also went beyond that.
On a fait mieux que ça.
We know some of them, some of the commanders were very close to their parents,
Et
especially
certains
their
commandants
mothers.
sont très proches de leurs parents.
So like I said, to win this war, you have to use so many different diverse
Pour
systems.
gagner cette guerre, il faut appliquer plusieurs
We were able
méthodes.
to get the phone numbers of their mothers.
On a eu le
We got their own phone numbers and we
numéros
give their mothers those phone numbers.
de leur
The mothers
téléphone de
call
leur
them, they
mère.
have not seen them for 4 or 5 years.
Et les mères les ont appelés, elles ne les ont pas vus
When
pendant
they are
5 ans.
top commanders, when the mothers called them, they started crying.
Quand leur mère les appelle, ils commencent à
Mothers called
pleurer.
them out, and some of them, that's how they pulled out from
Et c'est
there.
en ce sens que beaucoup d'entre eux ont
So
fait défection.
no system is closed. You have to open your mind as to your own area, and these are things you need to
Il
use.
n'y a aucun système qui est clos. Donc il faut avoir un esprit ouvert.
I remember some team we sent to Colombia,
Il y a ce qu'on a
Because they
fait
had
l'équipe
similar
aujourd'hui,
issues.
ils ont eu un même problème.
and what they used is during Christmas period. You know, growing up in such areas, Christmas was a wonderful day. So
Noël.
those of them in the bushes, because they
Ceux qui sont
missed
dans la
those
bush.
Christmas period, that pulled them out of the system. So
Les
you
ont
have
fait
to use
sortir.
very diverse
Donc,
ways
il
of
faut
convincing
utiliser
them to come out.
plusieurs astuces pour les attirer.
But one thing I can assure you is that with commitment, you can achieve that.
Avec un engagement, on peut le réaliser.
But it needs proper planning,
Mais il faut une planification,
proper administration,
organisée,
proper
une
management,
bonne administration, une bonne gestion,
but the sincerity in what you do.
et surtout la sincérité dans ce que vous faites.
Because if the first sets came out and they were killed,
Si la première vague est sortie et qu'ils sont
Nobody is
tués,
going to come out
personne
again.
ne va sortir.
nobody is going to come out. Because
Personne.
once they lose the trust, they
Une
can't
fois
come out.
qu'ils perdent la confiance, ils ne vont plus sortir.
But again, finally, the importance of the media.
Il y a aussi l'importance des médias.
One area that helped us a lot was the media.
Les médias nous ont aidés
Because
beaucoup.
we're able to use the media to reach out.
On les a
across.
utilisés pour faire le plaidoyer.
Like I told you, I had direct phone-in programs on the where people could call. Some
Il y a
of them
des
were calling
programmes
from
où
the
on peut
bushes to
appeler.
ask questions.
Pour poser des questions.
So that sincerity and that transparency assisted in assuring that we
ouverture,
achieved
cette
so much.
transparence nous a aidés.
So those are some of the things that we did that got us to where we are
Voilà
today.
certaines des choses que nous avons faites et qui nous ont amenés à ces résultats.
I hope it's of some help to some people.
J'espère que c'est.
But once again, I want to say I'm very happy for this meeting.
Je suis très ravi pour cette rencontre.
Our brothers from Niger, from Mali, from Burkina Faso, please
the
always
Truck
remember that
Alliance.
Nigerians are family. We are one family.
Comme une même famille.
Don't allow anybody to tell you anything otherwise. Nigeria does not mean bad to
N'écoutez
anybody.
personne qui vous disent, qui vous encourage à vous isoler.
If you remember, since independence, Nigeria has been a country that will, if there's any problem in any African country, even in when it was issues in South Africa, we went and brought all of them to come and stay here until there's
Le
peace.
Nigeria a joué un rôle depuis les indépendances des années 60, surtout
Nelson Mandela and all these people came to Nigeria to stay when
dans
there were
le cadre
issues
de la
there.
lutte contre l'apartheid.
Charles Taylor in Liberia, we brought him to Nigeria to stay
Taylor
until there is peace.
a été amené ici au Nigeria.
As we speak, the former president of Sierra Leone is in Nigeria just
L'ancien
because so that we
président
can
du
have peace.
Sierra Leone
So
est
we have
ici.
always been a peaceful country,
Nous sommes un pays épris
and
de
we
paix
want to remain like that.
et nous voulons rester comme tel.
So please let us not allow anybody say, come and tell us anything otherwise. We are one people, we are one family.
Un peuple, une famille.
I visited Niger last year, and I was
tu es
very
au Niger?
warmly received, and I'm very
J'ai
happy
été
about it.
bien reçu
I'm
au
looking
Niger.
forward to visiting Mali and Burkina Faso too.
Je m'attends à visiter le Mali et le Burkina Faso également.
We need to stay together.
On doit rester ensemble.
And then lastly, the issue of illegal mining.
La question de,
This is where they are getting a lot of funds from, illegal mining, kidnapping.
de mines.
So we must stop them from
plupart
getting those
du temps,
sources of funds
Et
to
c'est là
project them.
qu'ils ont leur source de financement.
And then working with international organizations, the idea of the foreign partners that always want to support them, to push them
Avec
into
les
doing those things.
organisations qui les soutiennent.
It's very important that we also track
Il est
track
important
those
donc
people.
de prendre ça en compte.
So on the overall, once again, thank you very much.
Merci une
God
fois
bless you.
encore.